Tasteful Tanti, a 1981 Moto Guzzi 850 Le Mans 3 by Foundry. This Moto Guzzi Le Mans 3 café racer was supposed to be Tom Simpson's personal bike, but it ended up going to a client. Tom has built many Moto Guzzis, yet he never manages to keep one for himself. The bike started as a 1981 Le Mans 3, found in pieces after sitting in a shed for 37 years. Even after decades of storage, it had only 9,000 miles and was still in great internal condition. Tom put it together quickly and rode it for a few weeks until a new customer wanted a cafe racer. Using his blacksmith skills, Tom made many custom sand-cast aluminum parts from the exhaust to the intake. He built a unique tank with Testarossa-style fins, a handmade tail section, and custom seat foam. All electronics, motor gadget controls, ignition, and the lithium battery are hidden neatly under the seat. The engine, drivetrain, wheels, suspension, and brakes were all rebuilt or upgraded for performance. Painted in a vintage Maserati color, the bike looks both modern and classic. Tom jokes, "I still don't have my own Guzzi, but maybe the next one."